ni kadege Bati CTV bat phidang pet yaki khubor baman kasni balwan rasha phidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Ho Pho Shillong wan bantiet yaka Kali Datsun ready go bathamai kabas khem bat bidor
Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla Ubapai Yakatran Information and Public Relations U James P.K. Sangma haka arpo arterik urusau arjar arpo ula plepet ba yaka office terikam kabathamai jong ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations kabadan halo Lashumia Shillong haka jingilang play yakani ka office pathai jingtip jong ka Sarkar Jilla layadon langru ka Secretary jong katran Information and Public Relations ka kong Matsudor War Nongbri U Director jong ke Information and Public Relations uba BS Solia ki officer na kitna traikam bapher bat kinong tho khubor kumban sukdeu hangni yakani ka slem traikam bathammai jong ka DIPR lasdang bansna nadu usnem 8000 khatnreu haka jing pelut pisa ka bashipho point sanpho klur AA hakani ka office bathammai na lor ka office traikam jong ka DIPR kin sadon pat sakiwei pat kitna traikam jong ka Sarkar ki bakanthum ya ka office jong ka Passport Seva Kendra ka Civil Task Force ka office jong ka Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association bat ka Shillong Press Club.
Today I'm really honored and privileged to be standing here on this red letter day for the Department of Information and Public Relations, where we are all realizing this long-awaited dream of the DIPR having an office of its own. And I'm really privileged that this much-awaited inauguration is happening during my tenure as INPR Minister. At the outset, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate our Secretary of IPR, Srimati Nongbri, the Director of DIPR, Shri Batlang Solia, all the officers and staff of DIPR, the former IPR ministers, especially Ba A.L. Hek, during whose tenure the concept and the initiation for this building took place. All the former additional chief secretaries in charge of IPR department, former principal secretaries, former commissioner secretaries, former secretaries, former directors. And here again I would like to make a special mention of Bahima Shangpliang, who is presently the MLA also. And during whose tenure as Director DIPR, the building was initiated, the process for it. And also all those officials serving and retired responsible for making this dream a reality. I commend your efforts, which have yielded fruits in spite of numerous challenges along the way. The way I see it, the DIPR office building will turn out to be one of the most prominent landmarks of Lower Lashmere in particular and Shillong city in general. And to know that the building is also accommodating a central government office, namely the office of the Passport Seva Kendra, the Shillong Press Club and others, the joy gets amplified considerably. The DIPR, being the press and publicity wing of the government, has a crucial role to play. And this role, not just in the day-to-day governance at various levels, up to the grassroots with the programs and the policies of the government, but also in highlighting all the different schemes that are being initiated by the government, implemented by the government. And these will be made accessible to the citizens of the state through its various units, including the press unit, the advertisement unit, the publication unit, the field publicity unit, the technical unit, and others. With the changing times and evolving dynamics of communication, there is an urgent need to upscale our efforts at all levels in terms of service delivery in order to ensure that the visibility of the department is enhanced from what it is today. I believe that if we put all our heads together and with this new workspace, I'm sure we will be able to achieve and to bring about new interventions to augment the services of the department in the days to come. The recently introduced centralized system of payment of advertisement bills of different government departments, through which bills of all government departments are to be paid by the DIPR, has brought about an added responsibility to the department at the directorate and administrative levels. However, I believe that we all have the mettle to carry that load in the interest of all concerned stakeholders, particularly the media and press fraternity. The evolution of new media, namely social media, has brought about new challenges as well as opportunities to governance. I believe that reforms are to be effected in a phased manner in order to ensure sustainability of such reforms in the long run. Moving with the times and to supplement traditional forms of information dissemination, the department has ventured in the arena of social media by posting important government information through its official Facebook page, that is DIPR Meghalaya. And this is done on a day-to-day basis. With time, we can also think of venturing into other social media platforms in order to ensure wider reach of important information of the government to the citizens of our state. In view of the COVID-19 situation in the country and the state, I take this opportunity to also commend the services rendered by the officers and staff of the IPR, particularly the foot soldiers, namely the technical staff, who I'm told have been on duty in the field without break since the beginning of the country-wide lockdown and till date. I wish you all good health. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And as you continue to serve the people of the state through the INPR department, I wish you all the very best.